Okay, hello again. I wanted to make another video for a pore vacuum. I saw them online a lot and was very intrigued by the idea of sucking things out of my pores. So I bought one on Amazon for like $35. And I am going to test it out and see if it actually works.
My really messy bathroom counter, but it comes with the vacuum itself, and then different heads with different sizes, and then the charger, and a bunch of filters and a user manual, and then these little things, which I think are pretty. I've already been in this box. These things, which I think are for like scraping shit out of my face, which I think is kind of terrifying. Yeah, so I'm gonna steam my face and we'll see.
Alright, so I held a very hot wet washcloth against my nose because that's the part that I want to focus on. So I'm gonna push power button, which turns it on, and it has 5 settings, 5 modes. Wait, no, it's the color mode. Color, it has like weird color light on top, and it's supposed to do different stuff for your skin. I don't remember what it says in the manual. I don't really care about that. It's the power button that goes through different modes of suction. So I'm gonna just go to 5 and see what happens. It's supposed to go like up, I think. Oh, that's really attractive. So it doesn't really like seem to do anything. I tried it once before I made this video, and was hoping it would like, you know, suck the shit out of my face, but it really just kind of sucks my skin. You can definitely see it does like kind of sucking my face into it, but it doesn't like. I was hoping I'd see some really gross stuff coming out of my pores. I don't know if I'm supposed to. It's like, I know it just kind of removes oil and stuff too. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't really think this product is that great. It's a really great video for attractive fan, guys. Yeah, I'm not really. Well, that's good. You're not supposed to leave it in one spot for a long time. So don't do that, because then you'll get this. I don't really think it's worth buying. Again, the product name, I mean the brand is Bestope, whatever. I think that if you're gonna buy a pore vacuum, then you should maybe invest in one that's more than $35, or just don't. I don't know how great they are. Yeah, I give that like a 0, maybe a 1 out of 10. I don't think it really did anything. We'll see. Maybe if I used it all the time, like every day, it would do stuff. I also don't really have really bad skin, so I'm not the best person to be judging this. But in my personal experience, yeah, so thanks for watching, guys.